One of the biggest money mistakes I saw as a first sergeant was not having an emergency fund. I had an airman come to my office all stressed out because his car needed new brakes. Instead of fixing the brakes, he was about to trade in the entire car because he didn't have the cash. That wasn't a car problem, that was a cash problem. A simple $1,000 emergency fund would have saved him thousands of dollars. If you're in the military, start with one simple goal. Build $1,000 in a separate savings account. Trust me, emergencies will happen. Debt doesn't have to.